guys, it's Teresa. 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕦𝕟𝕚𝕚.
Hey, it's Anna and I'm in Tokyo and it's really cold here.
Hey, you're watching? Welcome to 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚, where we teach you about culture and how to speak multiple languages and stuff. We make videos every Wednesday.
Today we're speaking about our 2018 goals, and we have some language goals and some business goals and also some personal goals that we want to share with you.
Language goals, because this is 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚. My first goal is to be in basic conversation level of both Italian and Swedish 2018.
So first of all, I want to learn Korean language once and for all. I've been studying it for like 3 years now, but like not that much. Like probably like once every month or something like that, and it's not enough, of course. And I want to find, you know, a routine and study it. Since like Teresa knows Korean language, il treno, cazzo. So since Teresa knows Korean, I hope that she can tell me some good way to learn it and like maybe lend me some books. Yeah, Teresa, are you listening?
We're moving in together in the new year, so we want to make some habits together.
From January, we're moving together with our 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚 team.
So we want to make some new habits together, basically, so that we can learn languages better.
I hope we will find a study language routine, so we can maybe, I don't know, like study together every Sunday night or something like that.
Because we have 4 languages in common that we're both learning.
So we can just, you know, 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚 and yeah. Why is Japanese coming on? I need to speak English. And I can't wait to live with Teresa and Carrie because they are really lovely girls and I want to share a lot of good experience with them.
So my next goal is that I want to finish up some of my textbooks and my manga and stuff like that. I've had a whole bunch of stuff put down that I haven't touched, even though I've had it for so long. So I want to start going through some of them and actually using it to study. Like I said, I would. It's the reason why I got them.
I also want to improve my Japanese. Since I have a lot of books that are in Japanese, I would like to try and actually read them, make time to do that and improve my kanji reading skills and also hopefully being able to improve my Japanese language in general as well.
Then my last language goal for 2018 is to stop making as many mistakes as I do in Japanese now. You know, I'm fluent, so I can speak, I feel comfortable, I get around. It's time to start fine-tuning a little bit to get into my Korean level. That's a big goal for me this year. Moving on to business goals, I want to finish our language school that we're building here in Tokyo. We started setting up a language school and we have already started putting out our fingers, but they're not 100% finished, so that's a big goal of mine.
I would like to become an Italian teacher next year in one way or another. So actually I'm already working with Teresa and building a language school here in Tokyo, but we also want to make some lessons in a website that we're building as well. So I want to dedicate time to that and of course find like students that want to learn Italian. I would like to do that a lot. Help me. Oh my god.
Next one that I have is that I want to finish the How to Learn a Language book that I have writing for you guys. So of course that's the question I get the most all the time, and I always say that I will answer later because it's just too much to answer in little things. So need an entire video, series perhaps, and a book to help you guys understand even better.
Of course, I also want to learn some new skills to do this YouTube thing better. So I would like to learn how to use my GoPro better, and also I would like to learn how to use 𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚, that is software to make music. I would like to be able to make my own music, and I would like it to sound better than it does now. No, it doesn't sound good right now, so I would like it to sound good. That's it.
Anna and I would also like to have spreadsheets, lessons, worksheets, and also bullet journal inserts and all that kind of stuff for you, done on a monthly basis, perhaps on the Patreon, not so sure. If you want to stay updated with all of those things, then make sure you subscribe down below, and there's a link to the Patreon in the description box as well. My last business goal for 2018 is to make an income based on business.
The thing that we would like to be able to do the most is probably getting an income based on what we're doing right now, since, you know, it would be just nice to have a lot of time to dedicate to it, since it would be nice to have you know, just free time to improve our skills. For example, I'm attending a school and I'm working a part-time job, and in the free time I'm doing this, and it's really hard because it seems like I always have to do things in a rush, and I cannot dedicate enough time to what I want to do.
And lastly, we have our personal goals, the normal stuff. I just want to be able to dedicate more time to music, more time to language, and to get more fit and thing too, you know, get a little more healthy. Like, I make all my meals at home, but sometimes I don't have time to make meals to bring to places, like when I go to work or to school or something like that. So that's also a personal goal, meal prep time. Just getting into more habits. I think I'm doing stuff, but just my schedule is just always changing so often that I want to get everything just kind of leveled out in 2018.
And for me, of course, I already mentioned it, but I want to dedicate more time creating some music done by me, mixed by me and whatever. And one thing that I'm really sad that I couldn't do in 2017 is reading. I would like to make a routine to being able to read every day. And of course, since I'm learning Korean, I would like to visit it one day with Teresa maybe. I have so many friends that live there anyways, so I've already been in China, and I love to see the difference between the Asian countries. The thing that I would like to achieve the most is probably to secure a visa here in Japan, since now I have a student visa. It's a really long and hard way, but I want to be able to get a working visa to stay here with, like, just not being worried all the time, you know.
2018 is the year of building. Okay, I guess that's all for us here at Live Love Lang. Tell us about your goals and what you want to do, what languages you're learning, what countries you're trying to get to in 2018. Leave it in the comment section down below. Give us a like if you shared any of our goals or want to see us fulfill any of our goals.
So we don't need to tell you what to do on YouTube anymore. If you like the video, just give it a big thumbs up.
If you want to see more content like this one, press the subscribe button down below. Once again, we make videos every Wednesday, and there's extra behind-the-scenes content on Patreon. It's all in the description. Just check the description.
Ciao. Hey. Okay, you can stop me.
And I'll see you next week. Bye.